Alright, looks like I fixed my autofill pitcher. That's the new sensor there. It's a circle, it's not square anymore, but it still works. So right now I have my pitcher kind of emptied out a little bit. Alright, just stopped. There you go. So what I did is I kind of had to cut the little circle sensor just so it could fit in this, like old casing. Wired it through here, and this is how I wired my wires. So the one that comes from the sensor will be brown to orange, and then the blue and black to gray, then the yellow one to brown, and everything else is the same. So that's the part right there. I found it on Reddit. Thanks to this guy, Smart Squirrel. He posted it, but it took forever to find that post for me. But good thing I found it. Samsung doesn't sell this sensor. Apparently they sell the whole little unit that comes with it, and I don't know how much that is, but it gets pretty expensive, I bet.